I bet you've seen this frothy coffee all over your Instagram. Stay tuned and I'll be showing you how to make the Dalgona frothy coffee. First, grab yourself some sugar. I've put in 3 tablespoons because I like everything ridiculously sweet. Then, grab some instant coffee. This is about 3 tablespoons as well because I like my coffee strong. Then we're going to add in our sugar. This is a great time to add in a bit more sugar or less if you decide to. And then we're going to go and grab our instant coffee, and we're also going to add that into the mix. At this point, you want to grab some boiled water or really hot water, and you just want to add it into your mix. I advise only adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then grab a mixer and put it on its lowest setting, or make sure your bowl is big enough, because if you don't, it will go everywhere. You really just want to keep mixing with this and have faith. Now, if it doesn't start to thicken up within the next 20 to 30 seconds, it could be because there's too much water, in which case you'd want to come in with a bit more instant coffee and a bit more sugar until it starts to really froth up. Now at this point, you probably could stop mixing and just use the froth as it was, dark brown. But I just decided to go on and keep frothing because I like it more frothy and I like it light colored. But it really is up to you when you stop frothing. It doesn't affect the taste in any way, shape or form. I'm pretty happy with the consistency forming soft peaks, and we're done with the frothing part. So just grab a glass, mug, cup full of ice, and we're going to construct the drink now. So go ahead and grab the milk of your choice. Mine is oat milk because I'm dairy free and I find it tastes really creamy. And you just want to fill up the cup about halfway with whatever milk you chose, and then stop. Now comes the fun part where we can spoon our froth right onto the milk. And you just keep spooning really until you are satisfied with the level of froth versus milk. A really fun alternative is to actually put the froth in a piping bag and pipe round in a circle to create a really pretty design. The only issue with this is it's a lot of effort, and at this point I just want to drink my coffee. Et voila! This is your Dalgona frothy coffee. Now you can stop right here and not mix anything and it looks pretty, but I prefer a more mixed coffee because I think it tastes better. So just go ahead and give it a little mix and you're completely done. And if I could cheekily ask while you're sipping that coffee, if you could go ahead and like and subscribe, then I'll have new and great content for you out every 2 weeks. Till then, my loves, ciao.